So you say you want to be a fleet owner. Say you want to own trucks. Guess what? Even when you're sick as a dog, you still have work to do. Stay tuned, y'all. What's up, everybody? We're back. Yep. As some of y'all can tell, I'm freaking sick as a dog. I have been sick for days now. Done sucked down a bottle of Propel. Sitting here at the office in the desk. Vic'd all up. All the good medicines and everything else and trying to get better. Nothing like having some good old just ugh. But yeah. When you're sick and you own trucks, guess what? You still have payroll to do. You still got paperwork to do. Like my driver that's in the drive-in. He delivered a load yesterday. Guess what? I've got to get that paperwork in. I've got to process that paperwork. I've got to get that transferred into the carrier we contract that truck with. Today's the last day. I've got to get his payroll done into ADP since I W-2 my drivers. So I've got to get all that together and hurry up. I haven't felt like doing that the last 2 days. Yeah. So even when you're sick and don't feel good, you still have work to do. This is a lot of things that people don't realize, that when you own multiple trucks, you've got to take care of. You still have to take care of, regardless of how you feel. It's got to get done. Payroll has to be done. Your employees have to have it. The carriers that, like I say, I'm not running any loads right now. Where I'm contracted to, they may be a little pissed off, but I don't feel good. I am sick as a freaking dog. I'll run sick a lot, but this time, wife's like, "No, you're at the house. You don't feel good. You're not leaving back out. You're not. Once I'm out, I'll stay out sick as a dog." But she's like, "You're home now. No, you're not leaving this house like this." So I'm home. But we have work to do. The other carrier that Mother Trucks, and he's running. That paperwork has to be processed. That has to be sent in. So, these are the things that you have to do if you want to grow a business. Now, granted, I only have 3 trucks. One of them's parked, but, may not be parked for long. I'm definitely looking at moving that truck and putting that somewhere. That's fixing to happen soon. So, gotta put revenue in that truck. So then that's going to be even more paperwork that has to be done, and more stuff that has to be worried about, more payroll that has to be processed. So yeah. So if you think you want to be an owner-operator, it's good to be an owner-operator. I'm not going to lie. It's got its advantages and downsides. Like, just got off the phone with my brother. One of his trucks, fuel pump. They thought it was just a simple thing. Now, instead of a $2,500 part, now it's going to be a $5,000 freaking part to fix, because it's a lot more jacked up than they originally thought with a fuel issue. Gotta love these Peterbilts. So, you've got expenses like that. But then when you've got multiple trucks, you've got multiple things that can go wrong. Multiple things you have to constantly stay on top of. Multiple things. So your stress multiplies pardon me, exponentially. So, but you still got to maintain, even if you're not sick. You still have to maintain your stuff, even if you are sick. So I'm fixing to jump on here. I got my 2 computer monitors sitting here. I got my program up. I had to process the other driver's paperwork in, get it sent in, so I can get his payroll processed. I got settlement sheets that came in. Email Monday. I got to process go through all this mess. Do I feel like it? No. But as a business owner, I have to do it. So, y'all, we hope everybody's starting your new year out safe and blessed. My new year starting out in the office, sitting here sick as a dog. So, hey, it is what it is, y'all. But I'll be jetting back out, and hopefully I can start getting some videos put together. Hopefully by the end of the week, maybe I'll start feeling a little bit better. Cause I've got a couple videos I need to put together. I just haven't had the energy to do it, y'all. All last week, I was starting to feel it in my chest and all. I was starting to feel it was coming. It just wasn't there, but I knew it was coming, and it, sure enough, y'all, it hit me freaking New Year's Day. So, anyway, y'all, y'all have a good, safe, blessed 2024, and we will catch y'all on the next video, y'all. Peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.